Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to save Facebook story with music in computer. So right now I'm gonna save this story. So first of all we have to do, we just install an Chrome extension. So open your Chrome Web Store and here search for this extension Story Saver, then click on Add to Chrome, add extension, and pin this extension from here. And now go back to your Facebook story. After opening the Facebook story, click on this extension. After that, here we can see the story has been downloaded. Now let's play this story. Here we can see this is how we can save Facebook story with music. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.